Hello, everyone. Today I am at the vegetable market. I want to buy fresh vegetables for my family. Let's see what we can find. Wow, there are many vegetables here. Everything looks colorful and fresh.
Hello, madam. What do you need?
Hello, your tomatoes look very fresh. How much are the tomatoes?
$4 per kilo.
Okay, I will take half a kilo, please. I want to make salad today.
Here you go.
Thank you. They look very good. Oh, these carrots are big and clean.
Yes, madam. Very fresh carrots today.
Good. I need carrots for soup. Please give me one bunch.
Sure.
Thank you so much. Excuse me, how much are the potatoes?
$3 per kilo.
Okay, that is good. Please give me 1 kilo.
Do you want big potatoes or small?
I want medium potatoes, please.
No problem.
I also need some green chilies, but only a little, not too much.
Sure, madam.
And some fresh coriander, please. I like the smell.
Here you go.
Perfect. Thank you. When you buy vegetables, always check if they are fresh. Look at the color, touch them gently, and always ask the price first. Buying vegetables is easy and fun.
Your total is $10.
Okay, here's the money.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Today I bought tomatoes, carrots, potatoes, chilies, and coriander. Now I will go home and cook for my family. See you next time. Bye.